Hey guys, in this video we will check out ScratchLab animated text and how to use it.
ScratchLab is a website in which the Scratch team puts extensions that they want to add in Scratch and allows Scratchers to review them. It currently has 2 extensions and hopefully more will be added. In the last video of this series, we checked out face sensing. And let's check out animated text in a fun way today by making a project. Oh, I forgot to mention, this video is intended for people who have made some Scratch projects and are familiar with Scratch.
This video might be a little difficult to understand for absolute beginners.
This is what we're going to be building today. A simple clicker game with awesome counters for the score, a really cool background, and a cool intro with animated text. So what are we waiting for? Let's get scratching.
Open ScratchLab by going to lab.scratch.mit.edu. This on animated text. This will open up a new project in ScratchLab. For a clicker game, first we need a sprite, that is our cookie. We already have one, so we are gonna import it. But you can make it any way you want. Make a basic cookie, just make a light brown circle and then use the pen tool and a darker color for chocolate chips. Now go into the background and make a great background. We need a new sprite for the text. Score.
To make it easy to choose where the score will be shown, just make a small dot in the score sprite and position that. Okay, now let's code a very simple clicker game. So go into the cookie sprite and create a new variable called score. When the sprite is clicked, go to random position. Change the score by 1. Let's make it so that the cookie goes to a random position every 3.5 seconds.
When the green flag is clicked, set score to 0, go to x0 and y0 forever, wait 5 seconds, then go to random position. Now run the project. We have a basic clicker game here. Now go to the score sprite, hide the score variable. Here we will use animated text. First make the code. When green flag is clicked, forever, the set font to block will set the font to any font of your choice. We think that the curly font looks good here, but you can choose any font you want.
Add this block in the forever loop and choose your preferred font. Next, add the set text color to block. Because of our backdrop, we are setting this text color to green, but you can change it as you need. Now this is the fun part. We will use the show text block to show the score. Add the show text block and then add the score variable reporter inside of the input of the show text block.
Now let's run the project and see what we have made. Oh yes, it looks great, doesn't it? The variable reporter has been replaced with amazing text. The last thing we want to add is the amazing instruction intro that you saw earlier. We will be using one of the animation effects in ScratchLab. Go into the cookie sprite and find the when green flag clicked script. Now add the rainbow text block after the go to XY. Type in the text, click on the cookie to increase your score.
Right after the text is done animating, we need to show the cookie back. So let's add the show sprite block right under the rainbow text block. Let's run the project. So that's all for today, guys. We have created an amazing project and learned about animated text. We hope you enjoyed playing with animated text. I hope you had a lot of fun making this project and would make more amazing projects with animated text.
Like this video, like, share, and subscribe for more. If you have any questions, comments, and ideas for videos, mail them to us at the email ID given below and in the description box. You can even post them in a Scratch Studio. Do post your feedback too. The link is in the description. Stay home and stay safe.
To get notified whenever we post a weekly video, turn on the notifications.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.